Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. I have some socks, and these are like no-show socks. It even says it on there. Haha, there we go. So let me open these up. It comes extremely air-packed and tight. I don't know, you can't tell. It's like a board. Well, not anymore. It's already got some air in it. So let's go ahead and check out what we have here. So we have 1, 2, 3. Okay, so we have 6 different socks. I guess they're size, I guess L is for the size, not for the left, because they don't have it. So let's kind of do these now. Oh, this is a whole pair in itself over here. Each one of these is a pair, I see. Okay, so let's try this. So it's 6 pairs. That's pretty good. Okay, oh, that's really neat. Oh my gosh, this is so cool. Okay. I'm just gonna explain this to you guys. So in the back, it's got like this, see like that shiny stuff? It's like a rubber. And so that's how it'll keep it from sliding off of your foot. So let's go ahead and I'm gonna put this on my shoe, on my foot. So here we go, we're gonna put it on this foot. Sorry, my feet are a little dirty, but look at that. See, it's gonna go on like that now. So I have it on my foot, and look at this, it doesn't slide off like that, you see? Normally if you pull it down like that, it's gonna come off. But it doesn't because it's got that little rubber part on there. So that's really good. I didn't put it exactly straight, but there you go. There's one sock on. Oh, these are gonna be great for my little running socks and stuff. And then this one here. They go on super easy, and they feel good. They look good. So it's got a little string on it. But this is it. So now I can put these inside of my shoes, and nobody would ever see that I'm wearing socks. So I do like to go sockless in my shoes all the time with my sneakers and everything, but a lot of times I don't want to be sockless because it's dirty and everything else. So this is going to give me that ability to be that way. So comes in 3 different colors. Not that you need them because they're no show. You don't even see it. So, or 4 different colors. I don't know how many. I guess these 2 are black. This is going to be a pair of gray. This is going to be a pair of white. And I guess it's another pair of gray. So very cool. I like this. So, 2 pairs of whites. So 2, 2, 2. Very cool. Thumbs up.